More than 5 million teeth will be knocked out in sporting activities this year. While this number is staggering, the American Dental Association estimates that more than 200,000 oral injuries will be prevented thanks to the use of custom-fitted sport mouthguards. Your dentist may recommend PlaySafe mouthguards for you or your family members who are actively involved in sports. Before I tell you how PlaySafe protects your teeth, let's listen to the stories of those who have first-hand experience with mouthguards. First up to the plate are Steve and Matthew Ty.
Matthew had played baseball for 3 years and never needed a mouth guard. And it was this year when he was playing that his sister got a mouth guard for soccer. He absolutely had to have one as well, so we went ahead and got him one. He was playing baseball. He was playing catcher on his team. And took a throw to home. He was going to make the catch, and the ball hit the front of the plate and hit him right in the mouth. And he was down on his back. All the folks from Little League were looking through the screen pretty excited about it because you could see the red mouth guard, and it appeared that his teeth were gone and his mouth was full of red, and that red only represented blood to them. By the time I got out there and made sure that everything was okay, had a little trouble getting the mouth guard out of his mouth, but we made sure that everything was okay. We saw that his teeth were a little bit loose and the gums were bleeding. And I have no doubt that if he hadn't had a mouth guard in that day, he wouldn't have his teeth now. He'd be wearing caps probably. So I can't stress how important I think a mouth guard is, especially if you're going to be behind the plate playing a Little League game. I always thought mouth guards were frivolous. I thought that they were an indulgence of the child and that made them feel that much more like a major leaguer. But I'll tell you, after seeing what Matthew went through, I wouldn't put him out there without a mouth guard.
Statistics show that more than 34% of sport-related injuries involve the face. While most sports now require the use of mouth guards, research and studies show the risk of injury is decreased by 99% when a mouth guard is in play. While many sporting goods stores sell mouth guards, these are not as effective as the PlaySafe mouth guard offered by your dentist. That's because store-bought mouth guards are not custom-made for your mouth. Also, these generic mouth guards cannot be altered for use with braces or missing teeth and require the athlete to remain clenched for maximum protection. PlaySafe, however, is made using an exact duplication of your mouth and will stay in place with no effort. This gives you the ability to put your attention where it belongs, on the game.
They offer 9 times more protection than over-the-counter type of mouth guards. They fit better, patients can breathe easier, and again, the level of protection is superior to that of over-the-counter mouth guards.
To replace a single tooth can cost on average $3,000 or more, and that doesn't even include the lifetime maintenance cost. This more than justifies the cost of a custom mouth guard. But why do custom mouth guards cost more than the ones in the sporting goods stores? Let's ask Ron Fichter, who makes PlaySafe mouth guards.
PlaySafe sports guards cost more than the over-the-counter sports guards for 3 reasons. One is that they are custom made. They're made especially for you and no one else. Number 2, the material is solely designed for sports guards. Not anything else, just a sports guard. And number 3 is that it's labor intensive. We need a dentist, we need a lab technician to construct and design the sports guard to your specifications. PlaySafe sports guards are not only customized for fit and comfort, but we can customize them to your particular choice of colors. We have 13 different colors and/or combinations of. As you can see in this particular case, we have 3 different colors on this sports guard. Unlike most custom sports guards, PlaySafe is made with essentially 2 and sometimes 3 layers of laminated material. The first layer, which rests against your gums and teeth, is softer and designed for comfort. It is heat and pressure molded to fit perfectly on the model of your mouth. At this point, we can also add other layers, including power dispersion bands or a hardened insert for additional protection. We then apply a protective outer layer that is designed to absorb and evenly distribute the forces of a blow. Finally, the dental technician customizes your PlaySafe by trimming and polishing it to precisely fit your mouth. PlaySafe is the only sports guard offering this advanced level of protection.
Now let's Let's hear a few comments from people who wear PlaySafe mouth guards.
Well, mouth guards, they protect your teeth when the ball hits your face. My mouth guard fits my mouth perfect because I had it custom made, and it's not very hard to breathe, and it's very comfortable. When I run, it's like I barely know that it fits.
The reason I got a mouth guard is just gives me that extra confidence. It makes me feel better going down the trail and a better sense of safety for my teeth. Mountain biking can be a real dangerous sport. You can go over the bars, you can end up in the rocks, and the last thing I need is to go to the dentist for a broken tooth.
I am currently a practitioner of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. And sometimes you'll have like someone's arm just shooting right up into your jaw. Puts a lot of pressure right here, and just having a mouth guard there, it alleviates a lot of that pressure. It also keeps my jaw in place so that it's not going back and forth like this. I was sparring one day, and my sparring partner caught me in a nasty chokehold. But the only problem was he didn't have his arm across my throat, but it was actually across my jaw. And so the whole time, he's just forcing that choke in because he's just working really hard to get that choke in, and he actually thinks he has it even though he doesn't. So he's just putting a lot of pressure on my jaw. But of course, I'm not feeling anything because I'm wearing the PlaySafe mouth guard. And after about a couple of minutes, he just looks over and he says, "Andrew, why aren't you tapping?" And I look back at him and I said, "I'll tap when it hurts. Now keep going." I would honestly say that if I didn't have the PlaySafe mouth guard that day, that I probably would have broken my jaw or maybe lost a few teeth. This is my PlaySafe. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Custom made just for my teeth and my teeth alone, and it's got a really cool logo of my academy, Health Gracie Jiu-Jitsu.
It's no surprise that PlaySafe has become the most prescribed custom mouth guard in the US, Europe, and Australia. Available in 6 levels of protection, an array of colors, stickers, or team logos, each mouth guard can be customized to fit your personality.
In other high schools that we've played, other kids have been our trainers have been out on the field helping them and said that, that they've had a concussion and they use the old plastic mouth guards. And with our players here at Bishop Vermont, we've been very fortunate to have the fitted ones, and they've seemed to make a big difference. I can't imagine not using these fitted mouth guards because it does make a difference. In our second game this year, we were playing Redlands. I had heard that they had 2 or 3 concussions in the game, and we didn't have any concussions. And our defensive end, in fact, took a severe blow to the face mask and injured his nose, but there was no concussion involved, and it's given us a winning advantage.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ray Padilla, and I'm the team dentist for Bishop Vermont High School. I'm one of 4 health professionals that volunteer here at Bishop Vermont. We have a physician, 2 physical therapist trainers, and myself as a dentist. Basically what we do as this health professional team, we try to avoid any potential problems that may arise during the football season. I want them all in custom-made mouth guards. I choose not to have any of Bishop Vermont athletes on any type of boil and bite or stock mouth guard. The reason I do this is because they're better fitting and they're more protective, and I have more control of what type of protective equipment the athletes are wearing. I've been doing this for about 10 years now at Bishop Vermont, and since we've been doing this, we have not had one dental facial injury, and our concussion rate has significantly dropped. I know what's happening to the other quarterbacks that we're playing against every week, and we are finding that they are getting concussions. And actually, when I come here on Friday nights, I'm treating the opposing players more than I'm treating our own players.
Discover how PlaySafe mouth guards can take your sport to a brand new level of action today.